The 2026 Toyota Landcruiser 300 VXR represents the peak of Toyota's full-size luxury off-road SUV lineup, carrying forward a legendary name while embracing a more refined and modern identity. This is a vehicle created for drivers who demand strength, comfort, and authority in a single package. Designed to deliver refined luxury alongside serious off-road capability, the VXR trim is engineered to feel just as confident in an urban environment as it does in demanding desert terrain. It is not simply an SUV that looks capable. It is built to perform with purpose, presence, and precision. From the very first glance, the Landcruiser 300 VXR communicates confidence. Its bold stance, wide proportions, and commanding height give it an unmistakable road presence. The front end is defined by a strong grille design, framed by full LED headlights that add a sharp, modern character. Chrome accents specific to the VXR trim elevate the exterior, adding a premium touch without overwhelming the rugged DNA the Landcruiser is known for. The body lines are clean and controlled, blending muscular strength with refined styling, while the 20-inch alloy wheels complete the look with a balance of elegance and capability. The size of the Landcruiser 300 VXR reinforces its flagship status. With an overall length of approximately 4,965 millimeters, a width close to 1,990 millimeters, and a height of around 1,905 millimeters, it delivers a solid and planted appearance from every angle. The wheelbase of roughly 2,850 millimeters contributes to interior space and stability, while a ground clearance of approximately 235 millimeters ensures the vehicle remains well prepared for off-road conditions. Every exterior element feels intentional, shaped by decades of Landcruiser experience and refined for modern expectations. Inside the cabin, the Landcruiser 300 VXR transitions seamlessly from rugged strength to premium comfort. The interior is finished with high-quality leather upholstery that immediately establishes a sense of luxury. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with materials that feel solid, refined, and built for long-term use. Multi-zone climate control ensures comfort for all occupants, making the cabin suitable for both daily commuting and extended journeys across varying climates. At the center of the interior experience is a large 12.3-inch infotainment display, designed to provide clear access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The screen is positioned for easy visibility and intuitive use, minimizing distraction while driving. In front of the driver, a digital instrument cluster delivers essential information in a clear and modern format, reinforcing the Landcruiser's blend of tradition and technology. Together, these displays create a cockpit that feels contemporary while remaining functional and user-friendly. The sense of refinement continues throughout the cabin, with thoughtful details that enhance the overall experience. Ambient lighting adds a subtle premium atmosphere, especially during night driving, while the available panoramic sunroof allows natural light to enter the cabin, creating a more open and spacious feel. In certain configurations, a high-quality JBL audio system with up to 14 speakers provides a rich and immersive sound experience, making long drives more enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the Landcruiser 300 VXR is designed to accommodate families and travelers without compromise. The seats are shaped for comfort and support, ensuring that occupants remain relaxed even on long journeys. The second and third rows offer practical space, making the vehicle suitable for group travel while maintaining a premium atmosphere throughout the cabin. This combination of space, comfort, and luxury is a key part of the Landcruiser's global appeal. Under the hood, the Landcruiser 300 VXR delivers performance that matches its commanding appearance. In GCC specifications, the petrol variant is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing approximately 409 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque. This engine provides strong, confident acceleration, allowing the vehicle to move smoothly and effortlessly despite its size. Power delivery feels refined and controlled, whether driving in urban environments or at higher speeds. In select markets, a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine is also available, producing around 306 horsepower and an impressive 700 Newton-meters of torque. This option emphasizes strong, low-end torque, making it particularly well-suited for heavy-duty driving and off-road conditions. Both engine options are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, responsive shifts, adapting seamlessly to different driving scenarios. The full-time four-wheel drive system is a defining feature of the Landcruiser 300 VXR, ensuring consistent traction across a wide range of surfaces. Differential locking, available in the VXR trim, enhances control when navigating challenging terrain, allowing the vehicle to maintain stability and grip where it matters most. On paved roads, the Landcruiser feels composed and confident, with a ride quality that prioritizes comfort while maintaining a strong sense of control. Off-road capability has always been at the heart of the Landcruiser name, and the 300 VXR continues this legacy with advanced systems designed to handle extreme environments. Multi-Terrain Select allows the driver to adjust vehicle settings based on surface conditions, optimizing performance for sand, rocks, or uneven terrain. Crawl Control further enhances off-road confidence by managing throttle and braking automatically at low speeds, allowing the driver to focus on steering and vehicle placement. Advanced suspension systems work in harmony with the drivetrain to keep the Landcruiser stable and composed, even when conditions become demanding. The combination of ground clearance, four-wheel drive, and intelligent off-road technology allows the 300 VXR to move through challenging landscapes with confidence and control. Despite its size and luxury focus, the vehicle never loses its sense of rugged capability. At the same time, the Landcruiser 300 VXR remains exceptionally well-suited for everyday use. Road noise is well managed, the cabin remains quiet and comfortable, and the driving experience feels refined across a variety of conditions. This balance between off-road strength and on-road comfort is one of the defining characteristics of the VXR trim, making it a versatile choice for drivers who expect their vehicle to perform in multiple roles. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Landcruiser 300 VXR is a statement of capability, refinement, and confidence. It brings together luxury, space, and proven off-road performance in a way few vehicles can match. Designed for city streets, highways, and demanding terrain alike, it delivers a driving experience that feels both premium and purposeful. For those who seek a full-size SUV that honors tradition while embracing modern expectations, the Landcruiser 300 VXR stands as a clear and compelling choice. If you appreciate detailed and honest car reviews, like this video and subscribe to support the channel.